Sun peeks in through the workshop door. Coffee's hot and the sawdust on the floor. He's cutting edges, I'm painting lines. Two hearts working together just fine. Our dogs curl up by the table side, keeping watch as the hours slide. A love like this, steady and true, built on dreams and a little wood glue. Resale creations, where our hearts come alive, turning someone's vision into joy that thrives. From sketches and stories, something brand new, we're making dreams come true, me and you. We measure twice and laugh when it's wrong, fix it up, hum another song. Each piece tells a story, every mark has grace. You can feel the love in every trace. It's more than a craft, it's a life we've made. Faith and sawdust, sunshine and shade. Each smile we spark, each I love